parts of Europe, but it's still just early March, and so with clear skies across Mallorca last night, temperatures plummeted well below the March average. But over the next couple of days, with plenty of sunshine, temperatures by day will reach 19 or 20, and plenty of fine weather being enjoyed across many parts of southern Europe. That's under an area of high pressure. It's a different story further north. It's mild for the most, but these windy systems will push in off the Atlantic, bringing cloud and rain, and at times, as the cold air digs southwards, some snow too. But for the British Isles, I think we'll be in the mostly mild regime for the rest of the week, temperatures up to 14 or 15 degrees, and given a little sunshine by Friday, perhaps as high as 17 degrees Celsius. Now at the moment, although mostly mild, we have actually got some cold air across the Northern Isles. We've had snow in Kirkwall through the morning to the north of this weather front really. It's much milder further south, and I think temperatures will lift a little bit across the Northern Isles this afternoon. But even under the cloud, we can expect 10 to 12 in Plymouth and Cardiff. Temperatures though as high as 14 perhaps in some breaks. East of the Pennines, perhaps Newcastle. But it may be mild air, but it's also quite moist. We've got the remnants of a weak weather system pushing its way across southern Britain. That doesn't tell the whole story though. As you add on the cloud, there's plenty of drizzly rain underneath that too, so it will stay quite cloudy and dull and damp around the western coast this afternoon. Some coastal and hill fog. Best chance of brightness, I think, Angus and Fife, and the cloud breaking up a little to the east of the Pennines. Now, by the time we reach this evening, we'll see yet more wet weather pushing back into Scotland, more persistent rain then spilling its way eastwards through the first part of the night, clearing away, before more wet weather moves into Northern Ireland and Northern England later. So with all the cloud and with the wind, it'll be a pretty mild night just about everywhere, I think. Now, those winds, although blustery at the moment, are going to strengthen further tonight. Local gales, I think, by morning, and some gale force winds in northern and central areas through the day tomorrow. In fact, to the east of the Pennines and to the eastern Scottish mountains, it could be quite gusty. And that rain, or that wind rather, is going to bring plenty more rain across Northern Ireland, Scotland and Northern England through the course of the day tomorrow. Perhaps the south once again faring better, staying mostly dry. There may be a little bit of brightness around, and if we do see some brightness, for example, to the east of the Pennines through tomorrow afternoon, and perhaps in Aberdeenshire, temperatures could easily reach 14 or 15 degrees. By Thursday, the high pressure in the south will keep things mostly dry for England and Wales again, but this weather front here will push more rain back north across Scotland and Northern Ireland. That's the forecast. Bye-bye.